So whenever someone talks about 2001: A Space Odyssey, there's always the same question. What the hell is it about? And to me at least, it's a beautiful story about humanity. What is it that makes us human? That's the core question that is asked throughout the movie. And the movie itself gives us different answers to this question. The first story shows us our ancestors. We see them learn about tools and weaponize a leftover bone. Did the monolith bestow this knowledge to the tribe? Is that what makes us human? Or is it simply there to witness it? To track human progression? These questions don't have answers, and it's part of what makes this movie so, well, thought-provoking. And then we get this famous and intentional cut from the bone to the weapon station, highlighting both the similarities and differences between us and our ancestors. Now, in the context of this story, we're in the midst of the Cold War. Two tribes fighting against each other with weapons on a much grander scale. The moon monolith brings its own questions. Why did it send the signal? Was it the astronauts' laissez-faire attitude towards it? Was it the fact that the US lied, created a cover story to hide what was really going on? Or was it being exposed to the lunar sunrise, feeling the light of the sun for the first time, for who knows how long? And again, we don't get any answers. Just the piercing screech of the monolith, shooting its signal towards Jupiter. And in our last story, we see this pinnacle of human achievement, of human technology, an example of our capabilities, and why we triggered the moon monolith in the first place. How? The past 2 times we've encountered the monolith, we've seen humanity's ability to weaponize. We had the bone, a literal form of humanity weaponized into a tool of war. We had words and stories weaponized into lies. Hal is a combination of this. We see him kill various crew members, and he repeatedly, almost instinctively lies throughout. He expresses emotion, smugness, fear. One could argue he's the most human character of them all, the only one that has an actual personality, displaying the inevitable sophistication of our tools, until they too become like us, become sentient. And it's not till he shuts down Hal that Dave learns why he's on this mission, the disposal of the ultimate tool, and the ultimate lie, taking this portal and leading to our last interaction with the monolith. As he traverses this portal, he's subjected to a variety of different images, both digital and biological, highlights of Dave in pain, repeated focus on his eyes, a symbol throughout the movie, until he flashes. And he finds himself in this white room, and his life repeatedly flashes forward and jumps ahead. Each time he glances at the monolith, he's getting older, he's shedding a tool. He sheds his spacecraft, his suit, his silverware, and eventually his own body, the final tool, transcending into this star child, signaling rebirth, signaling our ability to transcend our human ways of wars and lies and deceit, and leaving us, the viewer, to decide what it really means to be human.